Certifications we offer are in compliance with the AWS, which is the American Welding Society. Now we offer 4 basic ones, one for each welding process, so one for MIG, stick, flux core, and TIG. And they vary greatly if you start to get into the very small details, but we offer a basic certification to get into an entry-level job. TIG welding, more commonly used, is for more precision work, smaller, thinner materials. It's used in aerospace. Welding, it's used for aftermarket parts, it's used for repairs, it's used for stainless steel, it's used a wide range of materials. So that certification alone could go a whole bunch of different ways and directions. But that's, like I said, the precise type of welding. MIG, it's usually used more for production welding or quick welds. Stick welding and flux core, very similar to each other, so this is used more in a structural environment. Buildings, bridges, tunnels, that's the type of work you're gonna be doing, so you're gonna get more thicker, more structural materials to take test and get certified for that. So the numbers, 1 is flat, 2 is horizontal, 3 is vertical, and 4 is overhead. So what we do is follow the American Welding Society codebook, and they specify which each certification will get you in. So if you test in one position, which is the first one, the flat position, you will be only certified for flat. What we recommend here a lot is the 3G, which is vertical up. G is for groove, which is our plate certification. And the reason we recommend 3G, you would get 1 and 2G included as well. And like I said, we follow the American Welding Society codebook. I always recommend 3G and 4G, which is vertical up and overhead. So you get the broader range of certifications. MIG, stick, TIG, I recommend those. Of course, I always recommend get the most experience you can, try everything you can, so when you head out into the industry, you have a broader range of skills, you can kind of move around more freely as opposed to just focusing on one. But if you already know you want to head off into the aerospace industry, if you want to be welding, TIG welding, if you already know, hey, I got this job lined up and I want to get the most experience doing this, cool, then obviously head off in that direction as well.